Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Hey, Wagwan, blessed manners and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone alright. That's it. Avoid some type of confrontations is words I'm going to tell some people sometimes, depending on the situation. Because in my point of view, some type of confrontations can escalate into bad situations. That's it. I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when there was a disagreement between two persons about money. The people, the situation reached to a point where one of those persons held an object, and in my point of view, I think the person held the object with an intention of using it like some type of a weapon. Now, in my point of view, and based on certain things I'm seeing in the video, I wonder who might have given or complied to whatsoever the other might have been saying. So, massive viewers, subscribers, and you see, the thing about it is that when we look at the situation, I wonder if those persons was part of a serious situation or what. You see, because sometimes you have some people who behave and do certain things, and you might find for no. Look and listen to this video and leave a comment or comments. Let me know what you think about this type of situation. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me. Listen now, people, listen. Listen. Okay, look at this. Tell me, what do you see? Look at what the other person was doing. The person will have something yeah, so if my people listen, that situation they look away. And you see, sometimes just for a peaceful life, it better just do certain things to avoid certain bad things. Meaning to say, if I run, you have to run. If I comply, you have to comply, just comply. Because sometimes it's not worth doing certain things. That's in my point of view. You get me answer? Yeah, that situation there, look away. The next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, have me wondering at one point if the video is of a real situation or not. Whether if it is of a real situation or not, based on certain things that I saw happen in the video, it have me assuming and somewhat believing that the video is about a situation where someone confronted someone who had been caught on camera smoking. The people. Me laugh when me look at certain things in the video. You look at this video and tell me and think, oh, smoking can be and is bad for your health. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me. Okay. See? Now looking up people. Just look carefully. How would that? How would that people? Who that? Hey! Mister, when I look on the video and see the person eyes them, me I wonder what the person might be thinking. Yeah? Me I wonder what the person might have been doing. Me notice when I see the person that we're and so forth, all them things that I'm thinking, you see? Anyways, me now jump to the conclusion. I don't know what the person was doing, what the real situation might have been about, but the way of the video look, it made me assume certain things and Now, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happen when a law enforcer hit someone more than one time. The video shows some things that happen when a law enforcer from within the country of Jamaica got out of a police service motor vehicle. I got the understanding from the video that the police officer approached at least one person. More than one police officers was at the location. And the video shows when the police officer hit the person more than one time. I also got the understanding from the video that the law enforcer pushed the person and basically deal with the person in a way that some people might call a rough up. There were other persons there as well, number people. But for some reason, police approached that person and basically dealt with the person a certain type of way. So I didn't get any confirmed information to determine why the law enforcement did the person like that. The audio is somewhat of a problem to me, you know, because I'm wondering if the audio is off of the actual video itself or what. You understand me? But anyways, based on certain things I can see in the video, you can leave your comments or comments. Let me know what you think about this type of situation. You can tell me what you think about the way how the police handle the situation or so on. You understand me? And I'm going to read some comments from where the video has been posted on social media, viewers, subscribers. Yeah, one of the reasons why I'm also presenting the video to you is because the video has been posted on social media and some comments have been made on social media about the video as well, etc. But anyways, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me. Well, at the video that my people, at the video that so based on what we see in the video, it seems as if the law enforcer was putting the person inside of a part of the police service motor vehicle. I am wondering what might have caused that type of situation. When I jump to no conclusion because I don't have any confirmed information as to what might have caused the police to confront that person. Now, before I read words from these comments, I want to make it very clear that I am not able to confirm if any words in any of these comments are accurate or even true. And some of the comments, them, I'm not going to read because some words on the scene like this. So I'm going to say, yeah, it's that way. But anyways, words in one of the comments are, when UNUH, I think in a Jamaican way, some people might say, Uno, get up and treat the youths like this, what you put in I, them head. No more grievance and violence. SMH, treat the youths them with respect or else Jamaica gonna suffer. that are one coming from someone, another coming from someone, have some words in it that are, I still don't know what the man do, so I have nothing to say. Well, I understand that comment, but I don't believe in violence. Words in another comment are, it look like him go over the policeman yard and do something, cause if you listen carefully, the police ask him how him figure over him yard and him see him pan him camera. The people, again, I'm not able to confirm if any words in any of these comments are accurate or even true. I just read and try to pronounce how I see the words then together and so forth. Words in another comment are, that look personal. Words in another comment are, this is why people run all when them not do nothing or have nothing. More comments today. I don't want to read some of the comments them when we see, because the comments are basically a pusher type of vibes where they don't really depend that, you see. Alright, so more comments are there, my people. I think here's where I'm going to leave it, So big up and the respect to each and every one. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla.